look at this, look at this. So now I have a question. I was away for 21 days, and can anybody help me and find out why this palm is drying out or dying? I already checked the level of humidity on the soil, and it does have, it's moist. So I don't know, what should I do? Help, help. Yeah, look what happened. Oh, let me show you. I have it on this corner. Yeah, okay, bye. Please leave your comments and help me. What are your recommendations? That's the soil. This is what it's saying. It's not completely dry, but this measures the moisture temperature of the soil. Okay. Bye.